So I'm going to take aim. Okay, I want to make sure that I'm moving out of the situation. I'm going to press that shot. Okay, I have fired that shot, but you'll notice the action of my gun is closed. I'm assuming that it just simply chambered another round. However, when I press that trigger again, all I get is a click. So what I need to do, make sure that magazine is seated properly, take my hand, ram it home, and run that action, okay? Make sure that you do that every time. Extend back out, fire my shot, okay? Now I have gone to slide lock. That slide lock is an indication that I have got to reload my gun.